teacher!
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. What are you doing here?
I am looking at the birds.
Oh, these birds?
Yes, do you know them?
Yes, they are my friends.
Oh, what a nice. Who
Do
is
you
it?
want me to introduce you to my
Yes,
friends?
please.
Okay. This is Mommy Bird.
Oh, mommy bird.
Yes, Mommy Bird.
A beautiful bird.
Yes.
How many legs mommy bird has?
Mommy Bird has 2 legs.
Oh,
2 legs. 1, 2.
like us. Look, I have 1 and 2.
3 and 4.
No, I have 1, 2.
2.
I
Yes.
have 2 legs.
Yes. This is Mommy Bird, Leah's mom. Should I introduce you to Leah? Do you want to see Leah? Okay. This is Leah.
Oh, nice to meet you, Leah.
Nice to meet you too. This is a nest.
Oh, what is that?
It's a nest. Don't touch the nest.
Sorry.
Don't touch the nest. This is a nest. Leah sleeps in a nest.
Oh,
Yes. And Leah also has some other friends. Together, they fly together.
flying.
Yes.
Please introduce me.
Do you want to know Leah's friends?
Yes.
These are Leah's friends.
Hello, Leah.
Do you know how many friends they are? Can you help me count?
Okay.
Yes.
These are
Leah's friends. Yes.
1,
Yes.
2,
Yes.
3,
Yes.
4, and 5.
Very good, Ezra teacher. Leah has 5 friends. Let me count 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4.
And
5. Leah has 5 friends. Ezra teacher, sit down. I want to show you something.
Okay.
Oh, I have some seeds.
What
Some
is it?
food, yes. Birds eat corn. Birds eat corn. These are seeds. Let me show you how the birds eat the corn.
Oh,
I feed the
no,
birds.
don't
Ow,
touch.
ow,
Don't
ow.
touch, Panda teacher.
Oh.
Don't feed a bird.
Can I feed them these seeds?
No, don't feed a bird.
Oh, okay. I will not feed the birds. Teacher, do you know what this is?
What is it, Panda teacher?
These are seeds.
Oh, for what?
Birds eat seeds.
Oh.
Yes, let me show you how birds eat seeds.
Oh,
Ouch!
don't
Ow!
touch.
Ow!
Don't touch, Panda teacher.
Oh, should I feed them?
No, don't feed the birds.
What about these seeds? Can they eat these seeds too?
Yes, they can eat, and also I
Yes.
know they can
do they eat?
eat small frogs.
Frogs?
Yes,
Oh.
snails. They can eat,
Wow.
and they can eat ant.
Ants?
Yes, ants.
Whoa.
They can eat worm. Do you like worm?
No. No.
we
Yucky.
can't eat.
Yucky.
Yes.
Yucky.
Also, they can eat
Corn. Yes, the corn
like
that I wanted to feed
this.
them.
They can eat apple.
Wow, yummy.
Do you like apple?
I like apple.
Also, birds eat apple.
Apple?
Yes. Do you like apple, Panda teacher?
Yes, apples are so tasty. It's very yummy.
Yummy,
I like
delicious.
apples. I eat apples every day.
Yeah.
Yes.
And they can eat grapes.
Grapes?
Yes. Do you like?
Yes, I like grapes. I like
Yeah.
grapes.
They can eat tomato.
For breakfast?
Yes.
Tomatoes for breakfast?
They can eat.
Wow, they're so lovely.
And oh, this is my favorite. They can eat strawberry. Strawberry is my favorite fruit. Do you
like
like strawberry?
No, I don't like strawberries.
Really?
No, I like strawberries, of course. I like strawberries. They are so delicious. Teacher, but why do birds move from one place to the other? Why do they fly?
Because
Different seasons?
yes, different seasons. But teacher, do you know seasons? Oh,
I
really?
forgot some seasons. Can you show me some
Yes,
seasons?
I can help you. Look,
Okay.
I have a tree.
Hey,
Yes, look, this is a summer.
summer?
Do you know summer?
Yes. I
Hot
like summer.
weather,
It's very hot in summer.
ice cream, to go beach and swimming.
Ooh,
This is in summer.
summer?
After summer,
Yes.
autumn comes.
Autumn. The leaves fall from the tree in autumn?
Yes.
Ah.
And leaves are changing colors in autumn.
Oh, in autumn. Wow.
Red leaves, yellow leaves, orange leaves.
Blue leaves?
No,
No
I'm
blue
the
leaves.
teacher. No blue leaves.
Yellow leaves.
No yellow. Ah, yes, of course.
Yellow.
I'm kidding.
Yellow leaves. Yeah.
Yellow leaves. Yes. After autumn, winter comes.
Winter is so hot.
No, so cold.
Ah, it's cold in
Snowy
winter.
weather, and we can make snowman.
Oh, I like to make snowmen.
Me
I
either.
like to make snowmen
And
in winter.
After winter, spring comes.
Spring comes. Wow. Are we in spring now?
Yes, we are in spring.
Extra teacher, I want to ask you, what is your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring because I like the blossoms, I like flowers, and I like warm weather. What is your favorite season, Panda teacher?
Let me see. Summer.
Oh,
Yes,
why?
I like summer because in summer I can eat ice cream.
Oh,
Yes,
ice cream.
and I can wear a t-shirt and ride a bicycle.
Do you want to swimming?
I don't know how to swim.
Really?
Yes, can you teach me how to swim in summer?
Yes, I will teach you in summer.
Wow, thank you so much,
You're
extra teacher.
welcome.
But now, extra teacher, I wanted to know these animals. Someone told me that a bird can speak, can say, "How are you?"
What?
Yes.
No, they can't talk, Panda teacher.
Oh, they can only tweet, 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 tweet.
Yes, just.
But what else do they do? Do they jump?
Of course, they can jump.
They can jump?
Yes, jump.
You're trying to tell me that birds can jump?
Yes, birds can jump. Birds can hop.
Hop?
Yes, hop.
Birds?
Hopping birds.
And birds can swim. Can they swim?
Some birds can swim, but some birds can't swim.
Like, okay, duck. A
Yes,
duck.
duck can swim.
Quack, quack, quack.
Yes,
Swimming.
Swimming.
What of a penguin?
Penguin also is swimming.
Ah.
Chicken? Can chicken swim?
Chicken. No!
Oh, yeah.
A chicken can't swim.
Yes.
A chicken can't swim, and I think a chicken can't fly as well.
Yeah.
Can a chicken fly?
No, chicken can't fly.
They can only flap their wings, but not fly.
Yes.
Okay. But what about a gorilla? Is a gorilla a chicken?
No, gorilla isn't a chicken, but
It's not a bird?
teacher. No.
Oh, I didn't know.
Gorilla is a big animal. And
Oh.
it likes banana. It couldn't fly.
It can't fly. Okay.
It can jump.
Jump. Okay. So only birds can fly.
Yes, only birds can fly
Right,
because
okay.
they have wings.
To fly.
Yes, to fly.
Very nice. Panda teacher can fly.
No, you
Yes.
can't.
Let me try.
You don't have wings, Panda
I
teacher.
don't have wings. These are not wings.
No, these are arms.
Ah.
You don't have wings.
Okay, so Panda teacher can fly. I'm sad.
Yes.
Should I be sad?
No.
I still have my friends, by the way. Mommy, Bert, and Leah, the bird, and some of our friends. So I am happy.
Oh, very
Yes. So we have to sing a song for the birds. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
It's time for us to sing the bird song.
And dancing.
It's time to leave the nest for the big blue open sky. It's time to leave the nest. We'll show you how to fly. Take a tiny hop and then a little jump. Stay steady on your feet. Try a bigger leap. Take a tiny hop and then a little jump. Stay steady on your feet. Try a bigger leap. Just flap your wings together and get ready to take off. Just flap your wings together and we'll meet you at the top. Just flap your wings together and get ready to take off. Just flap your wings together and we'll meet you at the top. A hop, a jump, a leap. A hop, a jump, a leap. A hop, a jump, a leap. That's it.
Oh.
A hop, a jump, a leap. All together.
All together. Let's
A
go.
hop, a
And
jump, a leap. You're flying.
Oh, I'm flying.
Just flap your wings together if you want to learn to fly. Just flap your wings together. You'll be soaring in the sky. Just flap your wings together. It's as easy as can be. Just flap your wings together. You'll be flying oh so free. See, it's easy.
It's easy.